Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video I will be reviewing some hair that I received recently from Tinashe hair. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing, talk about what came in the packaging and the texture, stuff like that. So if you would like to find out about this hair, continue watching. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post videos. And yeah, let's get into this review. Alright guys, so about 2 weeks ago I made a purchase for some hair because I said in 2021 I'm going to learn how to do my own weaves. Might not know how to do all the fancy coloring, but I could watercolor black. And I'm gonna learn how to install my weaves, do everything on my own, because I'm just sick of paying people to do my hair, and I go to salons and I have to wait for hours because you're running late. It's just the unprofessionalism is not good enough. It's like I can't do it no more. So I said 2021 I'm going to teach myself how to do my own hair. So yes guys, that's what I am about to do. So I purchased some hair right in this box. And yeah, let's see what's in this box. Hopefully guys. Hopefully I do everything right. After this, I'm going to record a video on bleaching and plucking. Okay, Tinashe hair, because that is the hair that I have in this box. Ooh, look at that. Tinashe hair. This is a cute bag. Human hair, high quality, best choice. Okay, okay. Comes in this nice box. On the back it just says Tinashe, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter. That's nice. So let's see what's in this bag. And this is cute because you could reuse this bag to put all your different weaves in, or you could just use it to throw some stuff in and take out if you're running somewhere. So this is cute. Alright, what's in here? Okay. Oh, this is, look, they give you a bonnet. I like this, and it's nice and soft. Yeah, no, I got an issue. I'm always smelling stuff. It doesn't stink. But this is cute. Yes. Oh, they give you like the baby hair sitter. I already have one of these because I sell them. And it has my name on it. With the name of my company, Lavish Looks by Kiki. This one is a little damn thick. Mine isn't this thick. Girl, this is thick, but it's cute or whatever. Or whatever, right? So they gave me that. They gave me a stocking cap. 2-pack weight cap. What color is this? Nude, right? Yeah, because I went to the beauty supply store and bought everything that I need to do the wig. And I forgot stocking caps. So yes, thank you Tinashe. Some mink lashes is in here. These are cute. I got my lash extensions on, but never know, a girl might have to use these one day. And then they give you like a booklet, like a little pamphlet. Tinashe. This is very cute. Top brand and 100% human hair. You see? I like this. Oh, so it tells you about the Tinashe hair and where it's from. Instructions on brushing, washing, hair dry. Okay, okay. And then this to tell you the information. Follow and share. You already know that stuff, right? Like I hope you did to my channel. I hope you like, comment, and subscribed. Okay, let's get into the box. What did I order? I ordered Alright, so I ordered the 13x4 lace frontal wig, straight hair, virgin human hair, 20-inch, 180% density. Okay, I love straight weave. I know I can easily curl it, but I don't know, it's just something about straight hair that I like. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be trying out. Boop, boop. So it just comes like this. Oh, and they give you the elastic straps that you can put in. And it comes with hair clips too. Oh. This looks wrong. 20 inches. Wait, I paid for 180% density. So I paid for 180% density, but they checked off 200%. So, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I don't know. But this feels soft. I guess. It doesn't smell fishy or nothing, but it does have like the weave smell. I'm gonna wash it because you know I'm gonna be bleaching my knots and all that stuff. And it's like a brownish color. Okay. Let's treat her with care. Oh, I'm like, why? Where's the lace? But they put it down with these clips. Let's see, you guys. So this is it. This is it. And then it has this in the back, which I'm going to cut off. It has 4 clips, and I'm taking probably 3 of them out and just going to leave the one in the back because them clips be hurting my head and I'm not wearing them. So yeah, guys, this is it. It's supposed to be Swiss lace. So look, it blends in with my arm pretty good. So it's not bad, right? Y'all let me know in the comment section. This is cute or whatever. Okay, okay. And it doesn't feel thin. I like this, guys. And it's a 13x4. And it comes pre-plucked, but I'm going to pluck it some more. I like it. Hopefully it does right. And not all that shedding shit that hair can do. Because ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, so I'm trying to get it to see how far back my part will go. So like that. So not bad, guys. What do you guys think? 20 inches. Can't put it on because I got on braids. Can't put it on really. So yo, look at this shit. So 20 inches. So it's gonna give some length, baby. Look. So it's gonna give me some length, okay? Let's get up close. Hold on. Get y'all all up in my business. So look. That's not bad, right? Not bad. Alright. So guys. I got no sense. So this is the weave. This is the frontal wig. It was supposed to be 180 density, but this says 200 density. It is 20 inches. And yeah, I'm liking this Tinashe hair, guys. So I am about to go bleach and pluck, watercolor it black, let it air dry. I gotta go to my little cousin. She's going to braid my hair down so that my wig can lay flat. And then I'm gonna do the install, so stay tuned for the following videos that's gonna come after this one. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you used Tinashe hair before, and if so, what is your thoughts on the hair? Like, did you like the hair? Was it good? Did it shed? Like, let me know about this wig. And also let me know other good hair companies that I can purchase from, because I want to start, like I told y'all, I want to learn how to do my own hair and stuff like that. So yes guys, thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I see you guys in a few. Bye.